I'd like to take some time to look at tempo changes. Now, to do this, the guitar doesn't change tempo, so I'm actually going to mute this out, and I've got a click track set up here. So tempo changes and meter changes are really important sometimes when you're creating up a click track, because the song might not stay the same tempo. It's not going to be 142 or 120 beats per minute all the way through, and it might not be 4/4 all the way through. So 120 beats per minute and 4/4 are the two default settings for Pro Tools. In order to change them, let's do a meter change to start with. So if we want to say at bar 5, we want to change to 3/4. I've selected, see my playhead is now at bar 5. I click on the little plus where it says meter, like that. It'll ask me about the meter change. So snap to bar location, bar 5, first beat of bar 5. I'm going to change it to 3/4. And then I'll click on that, and you can see it changes in the timeline to 3/4. If we listen to the click track now, 2 3 4 2 3 4 3 2 3 4 4 2 3 4 1 2 3 2 2 3 3 2 3. You can see that's changed from 4/4 to 3/4. Then at bar 7, for example, we could change it back. So again, just click on bar 7 and then go to meter and click there and just change that back to 4/4, like that. So if we play from here, 1 2 3 2 2 3 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4, and so on and so forth. So changing meter is actually very simple. If you don't want them anymore, select them like that and hit backspace, and they've all gone. So all those meter changes that we put in have disappeared. Tempo change is a little bit more involved, because in order to effect tempo changes, we need to actually be able to see the tempo line. Same kind of idea though. Let's say that at bar 5, we wanted it to speed up to maybe 200 beats per minute. We're just doing this to be silly. So again, I just clicked at bar 5, and then we just click on the little plus on the tempo line, and we'll just pop that up to 200 beats per minute. Okay, and you can see that change. So I'll take it from about bar 2. 1 2 3 4 2 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 2. Okay, you hear it speeding up. So we can do all sorts of fun things, and say at bar 9 we drop it down again. So let's bring it back down to 142, like that. So you can see the tempo changing, and if you want to finesse it, we can just click around and just move it around. Now the other thing we could do, of course, is a slowing down, a decelerando of the tempo. So if we select like this between those two tempo points that we've created, then go to the event list and select tempo operations and select, parabolic, then we will get a curve that goes from bar 4, the end of bar 4, from 142 beats per minute. Okay, and we want at the end of it, we want 200 beats per minute, and then click on apply. Okay, so you can see that speeding up now from 142, faster, 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 until it gets to 200 beats per minute. Okay, we can change that. It doesn't have to be parabolic. We could select a tempo operation that was an S curve. So if we do that, now you can see that S shape now. Or we can change it to linear, which is a straight line. Just click and apply. We get a straight line tempo change from one to the other. Again, if you don't like it, select across it, hit backspace, and you can erase it. So we can get very, very complex tempo maps going in Pro Tools. So again, just to show you how to do that very quickly, where you want the tempo change to start, just click on your playhead and click the plus, and then we'll put in a tempo change to, let's say, 210 beats per minute, and click on OK, and you see that instantly steps up. 1 2 3 4 1, like that. And then we could put another one later on and add another tempo change and bring it back down to 120, let's say. Okay, so it drops right down, and then between those two we could create a parabolic tempo change like that. Okay, very, very simple. But like I said, quite complex things. If we wanted to take out a little bit of the middle of that, we can do that. You can get very, very clever in how you edit that. So that's the tempo and meter changes within Pro Tools.